life be like. Yeah, my life be like.
Hey everyone, cycling is more than a ride, it's an experience enhanced by the right gear. In this review, we'll explore 20 amazing bike gadgets on Amazon designed to improve safety, comfort, and performance. From smart accessories to essential tools and protective gear, these products are perfect for daily rides, long trips, and adventures. Discover the best bike upgrades with product links available in the video description. Let's begin. This is the Merc Bike Repair Toolkit, a portable maintenance kit designed for road bikes, MTB, BMX, and hybrid bikes. It includes a compact ratchet wrench, 10 interchangeable bits, tire levers, extension rod, and anti-slip handle for quick repairs. Weighing under 200 grams, it easily fits in a backpack, saddlebag, or bike frame bag. Perfect for fixing loose bolts, flat tires, and emergency issues during rides. It also works for DIY tasks. For cyclists who want reliable repairs anytime and anywhere, the Merc Bike Repair Toolkit is a must-have companion. This is a Corki anti-theft bike lock, a high-security U-lock designed to protect bicycles, scooters, and e-bikes during parking or daily commuting. Made with 17mm hardened alloy steel, it offers strong resistance against cutting and tampering while remaining lightweight at only 1.64 pounds. The soft silicone sleeve helps prevent scratches, and the easy install bracket keeps the lock convenient to carry. With 2 durable keys and a secure locking mechanism, it provides reliable protection wherever you ride. For cyclists who value safety, portability, and peace of mind, the Corki Bike Lock is an essential security upgrade. This is a bike helmet mirror for cycling, a safety accessory designed for bicycle, e-bike, and helmet users to check rear traffic easily while riding. It comes with 3M tape and an O-ring base for flexible installation on different helmets. The 2.6-inch convex mirror offers a wider view, while the 3-inch flat mirror provides clearer details. Its stable silicone-coated ball joints prevent shaking even on rough roads, and the 360 degrees adjustment allows a customized viewing angle. For safer commuting, group rides, or outdoor adventures, this helmet mirror is a smart choice for every cyclist seeking better awareness and confidence. This is a Geo Small Bike Tire Pump, a compact inflation tool designed for mountain bike tires during outdoor rides and emergencies. Its secure valve lock lever creates a tight, leak-free connection, making pumping quick and effortless. The CNC telescopic barrel provides increased air capacity for low-pressure, high-volume MTB tires, while the all-metal aluminum alloy construction ensures excellent durability and long-lasting performance. With its lightweight design and reliable pumping efficiency, this mini pump is a perfect companion for cyclists who need dependable support on the trail. Keep your rides worry-free with this practical and durable bike essential. This is a Gelrova LED Bike Handlebar bag with speaker, designed for commuting, mountain biking, and e-bike rides. It connects to your own power bank to operate the built-in Bluetooth speaker and colorful LED lights. The speaker delivers clear music or podcasts, while the adjustable multicolor lights improve visibility and add style during night rides. Its durable, water-resistant fabric keeps your phone, keys, snacks, and other essentials protected in changing weather. With practical storage, entertainment, and safety features, this versatile bike bag is a smart upgrade for every rider. Adult Bike Helmet for men and women is designed for cycling, BMX, skating, scooters, and skateboarding safety. This multi-sport helmet features a strong ABS outer shell and shock-absorbing EPS foam to help protect your head during impacts. With 10 air vents, it provides cool 360-degree airflow for comfortable use during long rides or intense activities. The removable, washable padding keeps the helmet fresh, soft, and easy to maintain. A reliable choice for everyday riders and sports lovers. This helmet is a smart buy for safety, comfort, and confidence. The next is bike gloves for men and women are designed to provide comfort, protection, and better control during every ride. The shock-absorbing padded palms help reduce road vibration and relieve hand fatigue, making long rides more comfortable. Anti-slip silicone gel on the palms improves grip and enhances handlebar control for safer cycling. Made with soft and flexible lycra fabric, these gloves offer a comfortable fit and excellent hand mobility. Convenient finger loops make them easy to remove, while the absorbent towel cloth on the thumb lets you quickly wipe away sweat. Perfect for road cycling, mountain biking, and everyday rides. The next is Bike Camera is a smart safety accessory for road bikes, mountain bikes, and daily cycling. Featuring a 5-inch display and crisp 1080p rear view camera, it helps you clearly monitor approaching vehicles and riders. The adjustable wide-angle lens provides a broad view of the road behind, while dual-mode night vision ensures clear visibility in both low light and dark conditions. Built with an IP67 waterproof design, it performs reliably in various weather conditions. The powerful 10000mAh rechargeable battery delivers up to 12 hours of use, making it an ideal companion for safer and more confident rides. The next is Classic Bicycle Bell by Rockbros is ideal for mountain bikes, road bikes, and kids' bikes, providing extra safety and awareness on every ride. Made from high-quality brass and nylon, it is durable, rust-resistant, and compact. The internal collision system produces a loud, clear, and pleasant ding, alerting pedestrians and fellow riders nearby. Installation is easy with the included hex wrench and adjustable anti-skid pads, fitting most handlebar diameters and shapes. Lightweight and stylish, this bell adds both function and charm to your bike. Stay safe and heard on every ride with this reliable, long-lasting bicycle bell. The next is Rockbros Bike Water Bottle Holder is perfect for road, mountain, hybrid, and touring bikes. Made from lightweight, wear-resistant PC material. It weighs only 35 grams and protects your bike frame while keeping hydration close. The secure cage design wraps around your bottle to prevent slipping on bumpy trails, giving you confidence during rides. Easy to install in under a minute with the included screws and Allen wrench. It fits most cycling bottles for quick access while riding. Durable, practical, and universal, this ultra-light bottle cage ensures you stay hydrated on every ride. From daily commutes to long adventures, the next is Bike Front Frame Bag is perfect for cycling, commuting, and long outdoor rides. It offers large storage space for your phone, power bank, keys, wallet, repair tools, energy gel, and other small essentials. The clear TPU touchscreen window lets you check maps and ride data easily while cycling. Made with durable, water-resistant carbon fiber texture fabric and sealed double zippers, it helps protect your items in rainy or sunny weather. Reflective side tapes improve night safety, while the hidden earphone hole adds extra convenience. With 3 strong straps, this bike tube bag is easy to install, stable, and quick to remove. The next is Peak Mini Electric Bike Pump is perfect for cycling, mountain biking, and motorcycle rides. Weighing only 123 grams, it's ultra-light, portable, and fits easily in a jersey pocket or bike bag. The pump features a digital gauge with real-time PSI display and auto-stop for precise inflation, keeping your tires safe. It inflates a 700 multiplied by 25C road tire from 0 to 80 psi in under 50 seconds, making roadside fixes quick and easy. USB-C rechargeable, it powers up to 6 tires per charge, compatible with Presta and Schrader valves. This versatile pump is ready for every ride and emergency. The next is the Rockbros Bike Phone Holder is a versatile and durable mount designed for cyclists. Made from lightweight aluminum alloy, it provides stable support and rust resistance while preventing slips. Anti-slip cushion pads protect your phone from scratches, and its spiral adjustment allows compatibility with devices from 4.7 to 7.1 inches. The holder ensures unobstructed access to buttons and charging ports, making it convenient during rides. Available in handlebar and headset cap mounts, it offers flexible installation options. Easy to use and secure, Rockbros enhances cycling experiences by keeping your phone accessible, safe, and charged while you ride. The next is Sensing Rear Bike Tail Light is perfect for night riding, road cycling, mountain biking, and daily commuting safety. This rechargeable bike rear light comes with smart brake sensing, which turns ultra bright for 5 seconds when you brake. It features high brightness COB LEDs with up to 120 lumens and visibility up to 1,000 meters, with 4 light modes: auto motion sensor, USB-C charging, 400 mAh battery, and IPX6 waterproof aluminum body. It is reliable in rain, dust, and rough roads. Stay safer and more visible, choose this bike tail light for your everyday cycling needs. The next is Swivel Bike Wall Mount is perfect for storing bicycles safely in garages, apartments, homes, and sheds. This space-saving vertical bike rack comes with an upgraded 150 degrees swivel design, allowing you to store your bike in the center, left, or right position. It holds up to 66 pounds and fits most road bikes, mountain bikes, cruisers, and BMX bikes. The wall mount is sturdy, stylish, and easy to install with included screws and instructions. It helps keep your floor clean and clutter-free. Save space and protect your bike. Choose this swivel bike wall mount for smart bike storage. The next is Microfiber Workout Rags Cooling Towels are perfect for gym, yoga, golf, running, cycling, and outdoor sports. Made mainly from soft polyester, these towels are breathable, lightweight, and comfortable for the neck and face. They absorb sweat well and help keep your skin cool in hot weather. Simply soak, wring, and snap to activate the quick cooling effect. They are reusable, machine washable, and easy to carry anywhere. Stay fresh and comfortable during every activity. Choose these cooling towels for your daily fitness and outdoor needs, so this is the best option for you to buy. Fingerprint Bike Chain Lock is perfect for securing e-bikes, scooters, gates, skis, snowboards, and bicycles. This smart Bluetooth biometric lock supports up to 20 fingerprint users and unlocks quickly in just 0.2 seconds. You can easily register fingerprints through the app for convenient keyless use. The 3.3 feet long chain is made with strong stainless steel and covered with thickened nylon material for durability and scratch protection. Its waterproof design, reflective cover, USB charging, and low power consumption make it reliable for daily use. Protect your valuable ride with this heavy-duty anti-theft lock today. The next is Bike Camera with Mount is ideal for bicycles, outdoor sports, commuting, and long cycling rides. This camera records clear footage with 4K 28 FPS, 2K 55 FPS, 5MP quality, and a wide 142 degrees angle for better road coverage. It includes loop recording, emergency recording, parking monitor, GPS, rechargeable battery, and a 64 GB card. The quick-release mount is easy to attach, adjust, and remove, while the waterproof and dust-proof design supports outdoor use. With long battery life and multiple mounting options, this bike camera is a smart choice for safer and more confident rides. The next is Cadence Speed Sensor. This sensor is used on bicycles to track pedaling cadence for better cycling performance. The Cadence Speed Sensor supports BLE 4.0 and ANT Plus technology, allowing easy connection with bike computers, indoor trainers, and smartphone apps. It provides real-time cadence data, helping cyclists monitor speed, rhythm, and training progress accurately. With magnet-free installation, it attaches easily to the crank arm. Its IP67 waterproof design makes it reliable in rainy weather, while wide app compatibility adds convenience. For smarter, easier, and more effective cycling, this cadence sensor is a great choice. The next is Navi Bike Computer is perfect for cycling, road biking, mountain biking, and outdoor riding. This wireless GPS cycling computer comes with a 3.5-inch touchscreen, smart map navigation, climb tips, and music control for a safer and smoother ride. You can send routes from the iSport app or import road books from Strava, Komoot, and other apps. If you go off course, the planning helps create a new route automatically. It also supports save point navigation and continue last ride function. Ride smarter and enjoy every journey. Choose Navi Bike Computer for your daily cycling needs. So this is the best option for you to buy. The next is